Welcome to Craftify AI. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with your profile. So, you've already signed up with Craftify AI. You gave us your phone number and your website, and we scraped your website to get some information. So, to get started, you're going to log in and you're going to come down here on the left hand side and choose business, and this will lead you to your business profile. From here, you can see that we're just getting started. And there's a few things for us to do to get our profile ready to go so we can start to make really amazing marketing content. So I'm going to scroll down to just show you a little bit. Left hand side, you've got your business information. So it's the information we've already provided to Craftify. And then on the right-hand side, you've got your brand messaging. So it's going to be all sorts of information about your website that we've scraped off and then we've improved using AI to give a little synopsis of your business. So you'll see like the description, a unique selling point, your audience, brand voice, etc. Now, we're going to go ahead and go all the way down to the bottom and we're going to get started with our visual identity. What I want you to do is to go ahead and upload your logos. So, whether or not you have a square logo or a full size one, or you don't have one of of either, that's perfectly fine. You want to upload whatever you've got. So, I'm going to go ahead. Both of mine are going to be square because that's what I have for this particular business. And here we go. So when you've uploaded your logos, what's going to happen with that is throughout all of Craftify, you're going to be able to see this logo. You can add that to a social media post or to an email header. It's going to be an easy way for you to pop your logo in anywhere you need it. All right. So now let's talk about visual identity. If you don't have your own colors already chosen for your branding, no problem. We can help you figure that out. So you'll choose Enhance here. By enhancing in here, we're going to use AI to kind of figure out what might be the best colors for your brand. And so it's going to use brand psychology and color psychology to try and figure out what's going to be the best type of colors and why for your particular brand. So you're going to see it here. We'll get a few different options to look at. We've got these colors and then an explanation on why that color is great. And we can see that it'll give us 3 different options. These are all great. I'm going to go ahead and go with the first one. I'll select that one and go ahead to the brand typography. Same thing. We're going to use AI to see what might be the best typography for your business to make a really clear typeface. So to speak your marketing language. So let's see here. Let's go through these. Actually, Montserrat, I think, is actually the typeface on our website. So we'll go ahead and go with that one. All right. If you already have this information, you already have this typography already chosen and these colors already chosen for your brand, no worries. You can at any time just edit right here and you can add in your hex code or choose the color from here. It's really, really simple to just add whichever color is your specific color here. Click the check mark to save it, and it's going to remain the same. The same here for your font. If you have a specific font, you can always click edit, add the name of that font here, and it's going to show up there. Awesome. Now let's go up here to the top and let's talk about our business information. You see a lot of things are missing here. So likely if you are a business that already has a Google business profile, then we can link that directly to your Craftify AI and make it super easy for all of this information to just show up. If you don't have a Google business profile, you can click here. It'll take you straight to a tutorial on how to create one. However, I'm going to choose the link and we can connect an existing profile. Now it's going to ask you to go ahead and log into your Gmail account or your Google account that's associated with a specific business. You'll go ahead and log in really fast. You'll come here and you'll see the information that it's found. Here we go. We're going to use this here. I'm going to save the changes and it's going to take that data that it has already in your Google business and place it right into your business profile. Now, what if your Google business doesn't have all the information that you're needing here? Well, that's not a problem at all. What we want to do is go ahead and add all of that information as you know it. So when you click on edit, you'll add the whatever your specific name is on Instagram, your handle at the end. It's going to link that directly here. So I'll go ahead and add that one here. And then you can do the same for all of the others. And that way, once these are linked, again, we can also use those links anywhere we need to in an email or on social media content to go ahead and pop that link right in there so users can click immediately and get to your channels. So, same is going to go for all of these other pieces. You're just going to want to add them in there. If you don't have Telegram or Twitter, don't worry, you don't need to add them in there. But the more you have added here, the easier it will be later on when you're working on your crafts. All right. Coming down also to your brand messaging, you want to make sure that this is all correct, that it looks like it's working for you. And if at any time you want to change things up or maybe give it a refresher, you can choose here to enhance, and it will walk you through all of those different pieces to figure out what's going on. We'll even rescrape your website or a different website if you'd like. Okay. I'm gonna let you do that on your own, and also link all of the tutorials that you're gonna need after this to keep on going creating amazing crafts with Craftify AI. So to get started, this is a really good beginner base. But I'll link to all of the next different tutorials that are you'll need to get really started, like coming over here to your settings and doing integrations. This is a great thing to get started with. We can get you connected to your Facebook and Instagram immediately, to Zapier, TikTok, all of these. We can also get you set up with your email settings. These are going to be really important for you as well, getting your email and your domain verification started. So I'll link to all of those tutorials below this video. We hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.